In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic titles based on filters in Tableau. Creating dynamic titles can significantly enhance the clarity and functionality of your Tableau dashboards, especially when you're dealing with various data sets and parameters. Let's dive right in and explore the step-by-step process to set up these dynamic titles. To begin, launch the Tableau public app on your computer. Once you've got it open, navigate to your worksheet where you'll be working on creating your dynamic titles. It's important to have your data ready for this process, so ensure your dataset is already imported and accessible within Tableau. First off, we're going to create a basic bar chart as our base visualization. Start by dragging the order date field to the column section of your worksheet. After that, adjust this field to display as a continuous month. This will set up your timeline for the data visualization. Next, take the sales field and drag it into the rows section. This action will create your first visualization, a simple bar chart based on sales data over time. Now let's add some interactivity by introducing a filter. Drag the category field to the filter pane. When prompted, select all categories and click OK. This step ensures that all data categories are initially included in your visualization. The next step involves displaying the filter for user interaction. Click the drop-down arrow next to the category filter and select Show Filter. This makes the filter accessible on your worksheet so users can adjust it as needed. To make the filter even more user-friendly, access the legend and modify it to a single value drop-down format. This simplifies the user interface and helps in selecting single categories easily. We're now ready to create a dynamic title. Start by double-clicking on the sheet title to open the title editor. In the editor, you can remove any existing text. Insert the category field into the text box and click OK. This makes your sheet title responsive to changes in the category filter. If you're looking for another approach to dynamic titles, consider using parameters. Begin by clicking the drop-down arrow and selecting Create Parameter. Give the parameter a name and ensure its data type is set to string. For the current value, select Profit, then click List and add both profit and sales options. After that, click OK to confirm. To utilize the parameter, create a calculated field. Name this field and enter your query. Drag this calculated field to the row section and subcategory to the column section, similar to how we set up the bar chart. Locate your parameter, show it, and finally double-click the sheet title once more. This time, type subcategory and insert the parameter into the title. Make the text bold for emphasis and click OK, and there you have it. By following these steps, you now know how to create dynamic titles in Tableau that adjust themselves based on filters and parameters. This feature can greatly improve how users interact with and interpret your data visualizations. Thank you for watching, and happy visualizing with Tableau.